Hey guys, it's Fly High FPV. I just wanted to say hey, Merry Holidays and Happy Hanukkah and all that other stuff. But don't forget, it's Fly Day and I got big sales going on right now. I don't know if you can see all this, but that is a whole wall of batteries. They're all on sale. Come get some. I've got deals on packs, 10 packs. You save $2 off each battery. 20 packs, you save $3 off each battery. And I ain't forgotten the little guys. 4 packs, you save $1 a pack. Every kind of pack. You can even mix and match. You want 4S and 6S, or 6S 1300s and 6S 1100s. I got them all on sale. But that's not all. I got toolkit chargers on sale. Toolkit M6D, the Toolkit quad charger, and even the power supply for them. All of my motors are on sale right now. I got T-motor and Ethics motors in the house. Every single one of them is on sale. I don't care what kind of motor you get, they're on sale. You can get T-motors for $13 right now. It's unheard of. And if that's not enough, I've got deals on LED props from GemFan. The LED props are buy 2 sets and you get a set of batteries for free. I'll just throw them in the package for you. What else is on sale? ViFly Buzzers. I can't even find the box in here, but I got ViFly Buzzers on sale. These things will help you save your quad. The ViFly Buzzer is about this big. It's self-powered, and whenever your battery comes in disconnected, it will just scream and scream and scream. I put them in all the quads and I don't lose my quads anymore. I even have found quads underwater because that thing screams so loud. It's even got a strobe light in it. But anything you need at all, I've got it. I got True RC antennas, Foxeer, lollipops, Foxeer T-Rex cameras, all the Fly High toolkits. I'll get you one. Fly High drivers, Fly High Kevlar straps, Armaton Marmot frames. Oh my god, this is my favorite. Oh, is that the last one? You better hurry up and order that shit. DJI goggles. You want a set of V2 goggles? Get them fast. Ethics transmitter bags, Ethics backpacks, Ethics heated lipo packs. All the goodies, man. All these props, more and more props. I got GemFan props. I've got Ethics HQ props. You like those watermelons? I got them. Peanut butters, candy canes, all that good stuff. Look, Ethics straps. Look at all that TBS goodness. Crossfire, Nano RXs, Diversity RXs, all the TBS video transmitters. TS100 soldering irons. Did you know that every time you order a TS100, you get a free skin from Fly High FPV? Any color you want, a little TPU skin to just make yours personalized so you know it's yours and get that grip on it. Oh, what's this? Digital setups, Cadix, Nebula Pros, Vista kits, air units. There's even more. I've got those nano cameras coming in too. For real, you guys, get your asses over to my store for this good stuff, because it's all on sale to the end of the month. I'll see you soon. Thank you.